Hello everyone, I'm drowning in questions. I have lost track of how many videos I have already created, but let's continue with the other questions you have asked, because it's so important to get out all of your doubts and questions you have, because you have been sitting at home with all these tensions and everything. So let's continue. What about the winter batch student, is someone asking. Can we take a transfer? Yes, also the students who came during the winter session can take a transfer. The next question, Ukraine is going to join the EU, the European Union. So there will be benefits. Yes, becoming member of the European Union is a long process and it has different steps. And it's possible that Ukraine becomes a European Union member very fast. Yes, it's possible. It can take maybe months, but it can also take years, because there are some countries, for example, Serbia, they have been waiting for more than 10 years. They have also completed some steps, but they're still waiting. So you cannot count on Ukraine becoming an EU member anytime soon. Like, it's possible, but not very likely. The next question is, who will take care of us for the rest of our MBBS? Well, if you transfer via Edupedia Overseas, obviously we are going to take care of you the way we did before, and we are going to continue it. I think we have proven more than enough times that we are there for you and that we really care for you guys. So either Kazakhstan or Georgia, we will be there, and even in Uzbekistan there will be members going to take care of you. If we have 3 reworks, can we take transfer? Yes, you will still be able to take a transfer. No one is holding you back, but you should still try to continue to finish all your work off, try to finish everything which is possible. Duration at Batumi International University and internship. The duration is 6 years and it includes the internship as well. What is the living cost in Georgia? The living cost in Georgia is almost the same as in Ukraine, but Tbilisi is a little bit more expensive than Batumi. You can compare it to Kiev. Kiev was the capital, is the capital, and always a bit more expensive than, for example, Kharkiv. And the next question, is there winter intake at Batumi International University? Yes and no. There is not a real winter intake, but there is a late intake as well. All right, guys, so we finished all the questions for this video, and I'm going to update you with the next questions and answers. See you soon. Bye bye.